Welcome back friends. Ministry of Road Transport and Highway Nitin Gadkari ji on Wednesday announced that the Toyota will be unveiling a new car that will be powered by FlexFuel on 28th September. This will be the first FlexFuel powered vehicle in the Indian market. This piece of information was announced at the second Automobile Component Manufacturing Association ACMA annual session. The ministry did not reveal which model will Toyota reveal. However, he did say that he will be unveiling the new FlexFuel powered car himself in New Delhi. So what is FlexFuel? FlexFuel is a short form of flexible fuel. It can be considered as an alternative to petrol that may vehicle use. It is made by a combination of petrol and the ethanol or methanol. FlexFuel is clean for the environment because ethanol or methanol burns more efficiently than petrol, which leads to less pollution. Ethanol can be sustainably produced from products such as sugarcane and corn. So, mixing ethanol seems like a better proportion instead of importing petrol from other countries. Some countries like Brazil, Germany, and France are already use FlexFuel and FlexFuel engines. Speaking of FlexFuel engine, not every single can run on FlexFuel. A regular engine can run on only one type of fuel, whereas FlexFuel engine can take up to 83% of ethanol mixed with petrol. However, a traditional engine can be tweaked in order to support FlexFuel. So, why is India eyeing FlexFuel technology? So, India is focusing on FlexFuel because as of now, most of our fossil fuels are imported through other countries. Adoption of FlexFuel will help in reducing Indians' carbon footprint as well as boost the economy because Indians' local economy as ethanol will be produced locally. Moreover, India depend on other countries will reduce the import of fossil fuel could be reduced. So that's the news from Toyota. If you like the news, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye.